When I think about the moments that we had, I always think about how you held my hand like that. Back when we used to be like we're on TV, and love news as easy as 1, 2, 3. Thought it's you and me together, didn't think that I just end up with me. I thought your love is all I need. Yeah, you got me begging on my knees. Didn't think this is how it's gonna be. Now I know I'm all I need. I'm all I need. Oh baby, please quit acting like it's you that's gonna be. Baby, the only one hurting I don't need a man like you, I'm all I need. I'm all I need. Ibinigay sa'yo ang aking puso ng buong buo. Ako'y nangako na sala't kapalaran aking pinanghawakan. Pamukha man tanga sa'yo ng harap-harapan. Binigay sa'yo lahat, ngunit hindi sapat. Ako ikaw ang kailangan upang madama at makita ang pag-ibig. Di ko lubos maisip, sa akin ko lang pala matatagpuan. Didn't think this is how it's gonna be. Now I know I'm all I need. I'm all I need. Oh baby, please quit acting like it's you that's gonna be. Baby, the only one hurting I don't need a man like you, I'm all I need. I'm all I need. I'm back in, not anymore. I'm back in, not anymore.
I'm good. Peace.
Boy, quit playing games. I'm no longer staying.
Hi, hapon. My name is Eunice Janine, and I'm a singer-songwriter from Limerick, Ireland, but I'm now in the Philippines, in Cebu. So yeah.
Last night you called me up, it was 3 in the morning.
My musical background, actually, most of it came from my mom, because she loves music as well, very much like me. And yeah, she introduced me to the singers that I loved when I was a child, like Christina Aguilera, Celine Dion, Beyonce, and for local, Regine Velasquez definitely. And yeah, so many other OPM artists. Also my tatay, my grandfather, like he's also a great influence in my music. When I was younger, I used to join like singing competitions, contests here in the Philippines, different like when there's fiestas. I experienced that when I was a kid. Up until I was in first year high school, so I used to really sing birit songs when I was younger. But now, yeah, I do make my own music. I write my own songs with the help of my producers as well and my manager. So yeah, something new.
I've been on my own, but now it's time.
For one, I think my voice really changed from the birit songs to now it's mostly like influenced by R&B and pop as well, pop songs. So it really made a huge difference, especially when I came to Ireland. Like I didn't really sing a lot of birit songs anymore, and I very much enjoy writing and singing my own songs.
Wanna think about the moments that we had.
So the songs that I've released so far, I've been making music since 2020, and my most recent release, it's called I'm All I Need, the one that I sang also. And it is actually written initially by another great influence of mine right now, Mickey Shiloh. She's the founder of Hard Drive in LA. And she wrote it for me, and I just finished the song as well. And it's very, very much my style when she wrote it. So yeah, I'm All I Need.
Last night you called me up, it was 3 in the morning.
It's actually one of the first ones. I think it's my 3rd or 4th single release back in 2020. And it's called Women because when my producer manager showed me the beat of the song, I thought, why not write a song that's about, women empowerment, since that's one of my advocacies as well. And also I joined this virtual pageant called Miss Kumu Global on the streaming platform Kumu. That's the first ever virtual pageant, and yeah, my advocacy just always like is about women. So yeah, it's good to put that as well, incorporate that in my songs. Actually, yes. Every time I write, anyways, like I always try to make it as personal as I could when I write my songs, and obviously incorporate my advocacies, women empowerment, and also talk about love and everything. So yeah.
I've been on my own, but now.
Yeah. So for my career, actually, it's kind of a huge step for me to take that I'm moving from Ireland to the Philippines now, indefinitely. So yeah, I'm super excited to like just try out every opportunity there is, just try out everything and do more live shows, perform and write more songs, release more songs.
Need a man like you, I'm all I need.
The local music scene, I think this is one of my advocacies as well. Like whenever I write songs, I try to incorporate my own language, English and Tagalog. So yeah, I hope that my music or OPM would be known globally, more globally. And yeah, like a lot of listeners from other countries. I just hope that Filipino music would be more known around the world. Yes, you guys, if you want to follow me, I'm on all social media platforms. It's at Eunice Janine everywhere. Facebook, YouTube, and Eunice Janine Music on Instagram. Also, make sure to listen to my songs, my releases, my album Drive 51 on Spotify, Apple Music, and all digital streaming platforms. Yeah. Okay.
Women, you say you couldn't handle us. Strong and independent, my ladies. You don't know a thing about us. Women, you really couldn't handle us. Strong and independent, my ladies. You don't know a thing about us. What do you think of me? Responsibility, hate to break it to you, but I'm on royalty. You wanna go, it's up to you. Can deal with no, you do what you do, I'ma do me. Well, in fact, I could be in a movie where the main character is me. This isn't what I asked for. Boy, I could live without you. Now you wanna give me more, but who said that I need you? Women, you say you couldn't handle us. Strong and independent, my ladies. You don't know a thing about us. Women, you really couldn't handle us. Strong and independent, my ladies. You don't know a thing about us. Me and my opinions, pwede kong sabihin. Di na kailangan na sa'yo pa manggaling. I ain't got no time, you just so run out of excuses. Excuse me, can't you see I'm a woman of my own? Kanya-kanya landas, doon ako sa taas. Walang sapilitan, pwede ka lumabas. Dahil babae ba, pwede mong ibaba. Kasarian lang yan, di ka naiiba. Tatandaan mo to, pati ng buong mundo. Tabi at may daraan, Pilipinang kababaihan. Yeah. Women, you really couldn't handle us. Strong and independent, my ladies. You don't know a thing about us. Ooh, yeah. Women, hey. hindi sapat. Ako ikaw ang kailangan upang madama at makita ang pag-ibig. Di ko lubos maisip, sa akin ko lang pala matatagpuan. Didn't think this is how it's gonna be. Now I know I'm all I need. Oh baby, please quit acting like it's you that's gonna be the only one.